Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Godaddy domain to Wix. Having a custom domain for your Wix website is crucial for a professional online presence and strong branding. We will explore two straightforward methods to achieve this connection, ensuring your website is easily accessible to your audience. Understanding these steps will help you seamlessly integrate your domain, making your site look polished and trustworthy. Let's dive into the details of each method to get your site up and running efficiently. The first method involves updating your domain's name servers. You will need to find the specific Wix name servers, which are typically two unique addresses within your Wix account. Once you have these, log into your Godaddy account, select your domain, and access its DNS management settings. Here, you will replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Wix. Remember, it can take up to 48 hours for these changes to fully update across the internet, so patience is key. Alternatively, you can connect your domain by pointing it to Wix. This method requires you to locate your Wix IP address, which is a series of numbers, within your Wix account. In your Godaddy DNS management, you will then create or modify a record, ensuring it points to this specific Wix IP address. Additionally, you should add a CNAME record for www that points to www.wix.com. This ensures both your root domain and www version correctly direct visitors to your Wix site. After implementing either connection method, it is important to verify that everything is working correctly. You can check your Wix domain dashboard, which should indicate a successful connection. If your website does not appear immediately, try clearing your browser's cache. Should you encounter any persistent issues or require further guidance, do not hesitate to reach out to Wix customer support. They are equipped to provide personalized assistance and ensure your domain is properly linked to your stunning Wix website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.